Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Don't want customers using coupon codes? In this video, we will show you how to remove the coupon code field from your WooCommerce checkout page in 2024. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, in this video we will be following an article to explain exactly the ways to remove a coupon code. So if you are looking to add a coupon field to the WooCommerce checkout or perhaps remove it altogether, maybe you are seeking a way to relocate the coupon field from its default position, well, this video is completely for you. So here we are going to know exactly what are the methods to move or remove the coupon code. So first of all, how can we remove the coupon field? Well, you can simply just like remove all the coupon codes, and the coupon field is not going to be working if that was the thing that you are thinking of. Now let's get on. So first of all, there is the using of WooCommerce default settings. So you could use this method to navigate by navigating to WooCommerce, then going to settings, then clicking on the general, and then simply uncheck the option that says enable the use of coupon codes. So make sure to click on save changes to update the page. As you can see right here, this is the picture that explains it. So WooCommerce, settings, then enable coupons and check it. So by doing so, the coupon will not be available anymore. Note, enabling this option will add a coupon field to both the cart page and checkout page. However, you can solve this problem by eliminating the cart page and replacing it with a sliding cart using Funnel Kits cart, and it is basically like an extension that will replace the normal cart with the Funnel Kit cart. As you can see here, it is looking something like that. Here, as you can see, so you could literally just skip it. Also, you could use a custom checkout with Funnel Kit Funnel Builder, which is simply the article. This is like article from Funnel Kit. This is why I'm reading it from here. So they are giving us a solution to like basically create a Funnel Kit checkout page, which will literally replace the whole checkout page that we have in our WooCommerce store. As you can see, if you are using Funnel Kit's Funnel Builder to create your checkout page and add a coupon field, then removing the coupon field is way easier than you think. To remove the coupon field from your WooCommerce checkout page, in the checkout page, scroll down to the checkout form field section, hover on coupon field and click on the X icon. Make sure to click on save to update the changes. This is the explanation. So this is the store checkout. This is the checkout form field, and here it is order summary. So basically by clicking on X, the order summary will remove the coupon code. It will also only remain the order summary there. Then basically once you're done, simply just click on the save button that is located right here, and basically the coupon code will be removed. Also here there is like another article by this remove WooCommerce features, which is basically like a website that is like literally made only for WooCommerce features. So basically here they are showing us the same thing, which is by disabling coupons in WooCommerce by unchecking the box under general in settings. As you can see, enable coupons and check it, and basically the coupons are going to be removed from your checkout page. This is like one of the well-known solutions that you could use in order to remove the coupon code from your checkout page. So as I said, this is the easiest thing to go for. The second method, as you can see here, this is the same thing. You could hide it also. This is something that I'm going to show you right now. You could activate like a template, which is the child theme. We are at the last step. Once you have uploaded the child theme, head back to the theme portion of the WordPress admin. If all has gone well, you should have seen your child theme among the list of installed themes. You'll have to re-upload the theme if it does appear as if something went wrong for you during the process. When you activate the child theme, you should see the results of your effort immediately. The coupon code fields should be removed entirely from your store if they are still showing or the site is broken in some way. Deactivate the child theme and recheck the code in child theme. Eventually, throughout trial and error, if you experience some problems, you should have successfully removed the fields. Of course, this was a long and winding road to accomplish something so basic. There's a much easier way to take care of this. Now, this is something that's about coding and changing the theme, etc. This is gonna be simply resolving it by the solution that I'm gonna show you right now. So this is my WordPress site. Let's say that I want to remove this, okay? So I want to remove this area, and let's say that this is the coupon code area field. So how can I remove it very easily? So first of all, let me just join as an admin. So let me just go here. What's wrong? This is should be, yes, here we go. Here we go. Remember me, log in, and now let's go to the site. After I click on customize, it will be showing me these options right here on the left. So we find site identity, colors, header media, menus, widgets, homepage settings, theme options, and additional CSS. However, on additional CSS, let me just remove this. And as you can see right here, gonna just go to about. So I'm gonna remove this about section. So I'm gonna click on F12, or basically if keys are not working for you, you could go here, right click and click on inspect. So once you do this, click here on this arrow and basically hover on the thing that you want to remove. For example, I want to remove about, so I'm gonna click on it, and this will open this class right here. So I'm gonna go into this area and basically just click on any line, write display, none, and press enter. As you can see here, the about is not showing anymore. If you hovered, as you can see, you cannot hover on it since it is not showing, which is a very good thing. Now, what you have to do to save it, because if I refresh the page, normally it will be deleted. So normally what you have to save it is basically by copying the code. So let me just do it again. Here I am. I'm gonna go right here. I'm in here, display, none, copy the whole thing, just like so. Yeah, from here to here, and basically paste it over here. Click on publish, and just like that, we have saved it. So this can be duplicated and replicated on the coupon code area field on your sites also. So yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.